Hey guys, I'm Hazel. Make Christmas that little bit more special this year with our new range of fillable baubles. Crafted from a clear plastic material with a silver lid and string, these are perfect for adding a personal touch to your festivities. Each bauble has an 8 cm diameter, providing plenty of space for personalisation. You could fill them with various craft materials like tinsel, Christmas bells or pom-poms to add a unique touch to your Christmas tree. Or they're perfect for adding pictures of the family too. They would make such a nice gift for Gran and Papa. Another popular way to use them is to fill them with mini treats and give them as a gift. Beauty treatments and hair accessories are a great idea for the girls. Or you could fill them with sweets and give them to your loved ones as a little something extra on Christmas Eve. The baubles come in a pack of 12, so you can even create your very own advent calendar and hide each day in the Christmas tree. There are so many fun possibilities and the kids will love getting involved too. Click here to shop them right away. Mr Crimbo has you covered this Christmas. Enjoy and thanks for watching.